Hey guys, good morning. Here we got a state park. Now we can do some detecting here. Really nice place. Pretty clean. Got these old trees over here. Of course, this is California. California in the city. Well, this is a little out of the city, but this could work. Got a trail that could work out too. Yeah. Possibilities, guys. Look at this old tree here. It's a good park to prospect, I will say. Should be lots of possibilities. Looks like it's got some water on it, so it should probably be easier to dig. As long as we get some targets, that's worth digging. Looks like we got some water. Haven't done any detecting here before. I mean, I've seen the park, and yeah, you can't do this, guys. That's not the way you do it. But I think it's something else that did this. Yeah. So yeah, enjoy the walk around, and then we'll see what's coming. Definitely a nice place. Camp out for the summer, or even now. It's actually nice. We got water here. Yeah, this looks good. I think we like it now. We like it a lot. Yeah. Should be promising. And of course, the usual battle. It's still in the morning. Bottle cap. Yeah. Looks like we got a boat ramp over here. Yeah. I would say it's worth it. Spending a little time here. Yeah, it looks like a good place to fish. Look at that bird flying away. That's a big boy. Got my new camera, but I really did not use it yet. So you're gonna have to find out some way of getting that thing going. Yeah, look at that. Alright. Yes, I would say this is doable, guys. Sand looks pretty soft, promising. Water looks good. Nice and clean. Looks like you can almost dive right in there. Almost wonder what's in it. Let's see how cold it is. Oh yeah, it's cold. It's got some quartz in there. Ouch. Yeah. Pretty nice. Oh, it's cold. Yeah, I've got some. Definitely got some quartz going on here. Yeah, good variety. This has got to be petrified wood. Look at that. Ooh, that water's cold. Ooh. Ah, that is cold. I can't believe it. Ah, I can feel it. All right. So I guess I'm gonna have to go get the metal detector out and start doing it. All right, so got ourselves a little target there. That's big, about 6 inches, and separated. I don't know what that is. Yep, that's the one. I don't know what it is. Whatever it is, we got it. It's not a bullet for sure. Looks like some kind of a pin or whatever. Anyway, to the next. Alright, here we got another target. And we got it again, about 6 inches deep. It's in the sand, just nice to dig. We got it. And it is a sinker. How'd you like them apples? It's a sinker. But it's a sinker. To the next. Okay, time for cake. I don't think I have to say any more. There you go, you got them both. Nice gold. Nice gold cap. And a nice blue cap. Yeah. What can I say? It's not the gold I was looking for. But I didn't have to dig very much. Here we got another location here. And it's right next to these little bushes here. Which looks pretty cool. And it was maybe about, I don't know, 4 inches deep. What? Tells me there's something there. Oh, okay, but I thought I had something outside. Let's see. Maybe I didn't have it. Huh. That's crazy. Thought I had it outside. Okay, so it says it's here. Let's dig that out. Okay, so it's not in that hole. Alright, it's in here. Oh yeah, our famous gold ring, guys. Don't you just love it? Oh man, this is so nice. Yep, sounded like a gold. Ah, that's about all we got to say. There you go. Nice location at least. You can enjoy at least that much. We got interrupted, so back into it. Got a target over there, but it's 31. I'm gonna try and see. Yeah, it says it's metal, so we're not gonna dig that. We got another target. What? 26, 36. 31. 33. 35. Let's try what that is at pinpoint. 2 inches. Alright, let's see what's going on. 2 inches. Oh yeah. This is my big scoop, guys. Very fancy. Hope you like it. Well, this is what I gotta deal with it for now. When you're on vacation, you gotta deal with what you got. You couldn't be that lucky, it's not out yet. He's jumping up and down. I wonder what that is. Oh man. Somebody said it's like 4 inches deep. Oh, great. Well, it says it's there. Let's see. Yeah, it's still there. That's crazy. That's no 4 inches. The water's just sinking. Still there. Look at this thing, guys. It's floating. How'd you like that? Hey, we got it out. What do you know? That's it. Yep. Oh, come on. Ah, it is just annoying. Look at that. The hairpin. How about that? But it is the way it is. Nice wash. Show you guys how this thing works. Look at that. Thing floats. So it's kind of nice. Got a little hook. Got a little hook over there, so I can hook it up to my either my backpack or something. So far it's been good. So far so good. Thanks, bro. Again, appreciate it. Thanks, guys, for looking. That's our hole. What are you gonna do? See you on the next.